I'm Mike from GuitarAssembly, and in this video I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to wind a Strat pickup. There is other videos that I've done where I do a parts list on this pickup, so go and check that out, and please like and subscribe. Okay, so this is the Strat pickup. These are the parts that you need: vulcanized fibre flatworks, your eyelets and your pole pieces. So now we're going to just assemble the pickup itself quickly, ready for winding. So first of all, you need your base and your eyelets. So we're going to put the eyelets in. 1, 2. So there's your 2 eyelets in. I always use this as the bottom side to save catching wire on these larger parts of the eyelet. So that's my top of the bobbin. So we're just going to install the magnets. And then your top. Push them down. And then you can gauge kind of the coil height that you're after on here. So your shortest mag will be your B string mag here, as you can see. So I generally bring the flatworks to just below that mag. You can, if you want, use some super glue to hold these in place if they're too loose. But then that's that assembled. Okay, so now we're going to start with getting it ready to go onto the machine. So we're going to feed in our copper wire. This is going to be a neck pickup. I'm going to start with a clockwise wind. So when you're doing a full set, you will do a clockwise, a counterclockwise, and then a clockwise wind. But this is going to be a neck, so we're going to be doing a clockwise wind. So just feeding that through. Right, that should be enough there. And I'm going to start the wind and get it fitted onto the machine. So it's now on this machine, and I've started its start and its finish point. Obviously mine's a CNC machine, so I've started that, and now let's watch it go. Okay, so we've got it back here, and now we're going to put the finish in. So the end of the coil here, we're just going to feed through and put back into this eyelet here, and that's going to be our finish. And I'll just feed it through and wrap it around the eyelet a few times. And that's the coil done. So now we're going to fit the hookup wire. Again, we're using the vintage pullback wire. So just pull back the wire, twist the end, and then we're going to tin it. So we're just going to add some flux. Heat that up. Some solder. Our start is going to be our live. So feed it in. and then the live wire put through the left eyelet. And then we're going to solder from the back, so just apply some flux there. And then solder that in there. Just cut that off and pull that through. And that's your live done. And then we're just going to do exactly the same with the ground. Bit of solder. Then the black through flux. And there you go. Now we should have a readable pickup. There we go. So we have a working pickup. Put your cover on. And there you go. Strat pickup. Done. So what I would do now is charge the pickup. So I'll just use a vise with two neodymium magnets on them. So that's my north and that's my south. And all we're going to do, bring that in. And then just run it through the field, the magnetic field. A few times to charge it, and now it's ready for potting. So just for testing purposes, I just knocked up this old jack lead with a couple of crocodile clips on the live and ground, and it just allows me just to plug it into the amp and just tap test it to see if it's live. So I thought I'd do that for you just to show you that it's working. So now you can tap test a working pickup. So thank you very much for checking out this video, this step-by-step video, and I hope this has kind of helped you. And if you think there's anything that I've missed from this video, please comment or message me directly, and I'm happy to answer any of your questions that you have. So please check out some of the other videos and like and subscribe. Cheers guys, bye.